And in your tenure, like, does it like, or do you have a specific accomplishment that you're extremely proud of, like throughout your entire time in the banking, or it could also be in your personal life as well, like anything you would like to share?
Yeah, absolutely. In the banking, obviously, we have so many different banks' philosophies and the culture. Good thing is in the US, and I'm sure in the Canada also the same, the diversity is one of the keys.
Yeah. Hmm.
Everyone realized diversity is the keys to be a successful
Yeah.
because I bring in diversity, and that is what I'm proud of.
Yeah.
That I would bring a segment of Asian community, Indian, Indo-Pak community,
Yeah.
Afghan community, Bengalis. So those are, and it's a big, huge business-wise. These guys have huge businesses everywhere.
Right.
Okay, so and they realize that hey, we need to tap into that market. So every time, every bank I have gone, because they realize my potential that I have associated with the Chamber of Commerce's, I've associated with other organization, cultural organization, cultural programs. It's important, and for if your business can sponsor a program, that is a good way to put yourself out there. I know you don't get a whole lot of that. It is
Yeah.
just a poster, maybe a name, phone number, but you as an individual have to go in and make that happen.
Right.
And lately, I have gone into the Turkish community. Unbelievable. These guys are excellent business people. There are two kind of people, business communities. I have come out to be. They are just like shining star. The
Yeah.
Sikh community is excellent. You would never have an issue with Sikh community.
Yep.
They are just great, and Turkish community excellent. If they say they are going to do it, they will do it. That's
Right.
how they are. So I give example of those guys. So I am very proud of that, that I have accomplished that, and I have done a lot of seminars in the community for each different areas. What I've done is taken the bank, taking the CPA, taking the lawyer, also a business broker, a mortgage broker. So entire team on the panel, and just invite people and said, okay, here we are. You want to start a business? That's how you do it. You want to
Right.
borrow money? That's how you do it. You have a problem? That's how you do it. That is what I have accomplished in the last 15 years or so in the
Gotcha.
different communities.
Yeah. And you did mention some of the groups that, or the seminars that you've done. Do you have time? I know it's probably extremely busy on your end, but in terms of volunteering, is there any initiatives that you were involved in, or?
Absolutely. See, I used to work very hard, and then I got older, so I found out that I can work smarter. So
Yeah.
that's how I do now. I work smart now. I
Right.
know my timing, and it gives me a time to, I'm not doing the volunteer work to gain the any monetary gains for that. I'm
Yeah.
just doing it for the community. So recently I have joined there was a Muslim cemetery in our area. So
Mhm.
I become a board member on that as well.
Nice.
And that gives me tremendous pleasure to help the community. And we are also working on a funeral home for the same, for the project to
Yep.
bring in the cost down. So
Mhm.
those are the things you relate because you always want to make money, no question about it. But at the
Yeah.
same time, you want to do the work you are supposed to do on earth, help other people.